We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
And I'm Joseph Lin, Ngai Joseph Lin. And during this time of the year, there's a lot of activities going on Yamingshan, especially if you want to look at the various plantation and flowers that they have. So I want to talk about this a little bit, and especially over the last maybe about a month or so, there's been a lot of cherry blossom here in Taiwan. As you know, cherry blossom is a very popular flower in Japan. Also, there's a lot of cherry blossom in Washington, D.C., so people worldwide are very familiar with cherry blossom, and they're very, very pretty. And I had a chance to go up to Yamingshan on the Beito side, and boy, they had a whole stretch of a boulevard that's just nothing but cherry blossom trees over there, and it's just phenomenal. And what I've heard is that here in Taiwan, people even use the nighttime to go on top of Yamingshan to look at these cherry blossom because they have spotlights that they shine on these cherry blossom, and it looks particularly beautiful. I have to try that one day. 这个喜欢看花吗 Alice?
空马盖法，
樱花现在是樱花季节。
OK，
对，很漂亮的樱花。那听说连夜间都可以赏樱花，所以我们今天呢来教一教一些跟花有关系的一些单字好了。
好啊。
好，let's start with 既然是花季嘛，对不对？那我们先教花季怎么说？
法规。
听起来惊人呢，什么规？
法规。
不是啊，去赏花会看到法规。
没啦。
法规。
就是花季。
That's Hakka. It sounds like some sort of ghost in Taiwanese, but anyways.
因为它是季节嘛，规节，所以是法规。
It's 花季，法规 and that's flower season, by the way. Today we're particularly talking about cherry blossom. 那樱花呢？
樱花。
我有要什么规要出来？
不会规啊。
嘎仔，什么樱花怎么说？
樱花。
樱花 that's cherry blossom. 还有很漂亮的东西在这个阳明山上面可以看到的是海芋，是不是？
海乌。
海乌。Hoi Vu is another type of flower that if you get a chance, you have to go on to Yamingshan and look at it. It's a long tube. It's a sort of lily. It's called calla lily. And it's very beautiful. And they allow people to go up there and pick them for a price, of course. 我们再蕊一次，好像有教过阳明山怎么说了。
永明山。
永明山。
Yeah.
There you go. That's the Yaming Mountain here in Taipei, a very popular tourist attraction. Well, that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.